You know the old saying, when the olive oil goes hard, it's time to go home. By the olive oil metric, I should have gone back to San Francisco a week ago. But I'm still here at our camp in northern Maine in late October because there's a party in another week down in Portland that'll be filled with some of my favorite people. Complicating matters is that it's a costume party, a Mask of the Red Death costume party, and my friends are aggressive costumers. Now, I love to make a good costume, but I'll be visiting with people I don't get to see very often. I don't want to cover my face. I don't want to go full Red Death. So I have an idea for a non-costume costume. Take a brief pause on this 17th of October, 2024. It might be my birthday, to acknowledge something that I know and you should know I know, which is that there is an incredibly long list of more important things going on out there than what's going on in here. There is horrific conflict and human suffering taking place as we speak. Adding to anxiety levels, there are choices very soon to be made, which are going to have major impacts on everyone's lives, all of which can make this project seem a little silly, perhaps even counterproductive. And my ability to do what I do comes from a place of remarkable privilege. But what I know how to do is make things and put them out into the world and celebrate the creative process. So I'm going to make this silly costume as a vehicle to spend time with good friends, something which on its whole, I believe has value and is possibly even productive. And on a related note, while I have you here, if you would do something for me, if you happen to be a US citizen, please vote. Okay, clearly it is time to try these on. Big reveal and all. But first, perhaps you are curious about this partially demolished kitchen I've been working in and this layout we are testing. Something based on this drawing. Perhaps you are. Oh, big mouse mess.
Well, you're gonna like, you could assist people billing at about 200. But you feel like that this is sticking, but not serious. So is your intention that you'll have a larger overhang than stools?